CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I'll be doing is showing you my exact play. This is obviously not something that I'll be immediately like milking, buying, or really doing anything. More so just sticking to the rules that I've already tested for like literally 42,000 videos. Yeah, it's taken me 5 years and 42,000 videos, but like ultimately the only thing that I wanted to see is like a decent double break, if you know what I mean. Like ultimately I was the guy here while buying this when it was 76 bucks, $76, right? And look, like at the time, this was like 3 weeks back, it's already at around 76, looking to take it to 104. So the only thing that I would care is just this shift here going into this next week. And I'm not even just saying that this is going to happen tomorrow, because obviously no one knows, but if rules are met, I'm ready to pull the trigger. And if you want the sauce, click the first link in the description and get the sauce. 1,200 people who have gotten it. Goodbye.